Welcome back to AI Alert Room. I'm Elena Volkov. Let's get you up to speed on what's happening in AI this week. For thousands of years, war has always been human. A king gave the order. A general made the plan. A soldier pulled the trigger. No matter how advanced weapons became, a human being remained somewhere in the chain of command. But for the first time in history, that chain is starting to break. Artificial intelligence is quietly changing the nature of warfare, and most people don't fully understand how big this shift really is. Because AI isn't just another weapon. It's a force multiplier, a technology that can make every weapon, every army, and every military system more powerful. And that's what makes it so dangerous. Imagine two nations preparing for conflict. One side has thousands of analysts examining satellite images, communications, troop movements, and intelligence reports. The other side has an AI system processing the same information. The human team might need days, the AI might need seconds. Suddenly, the battlefield changes, speed becomes everything. The nation that understands reality first gains an advantage before a single shot is fired. That's where modern warfare is heading. Not toward bigger armies, toward faster decisions, faster reactions, faster destruction. And the scary part is that humans are becoming the slowest part of the process. Think about it. A missile can travel faster than a human can think. A drone can identify a target faster than a human can react. An AI system can analyze data faster than entire intelligence agencies. Military planners around the world understand this. That's why the race for artificial intelligence has become just as important as the race for tanks, ships, and aircraft. The future superpower may not be the country with the biggest military. It may be the country with the smartest algorithms. But AI warfare isn't only about robots and machines. In fact, one of the most powerful battlefields is something you look at every day: your screen. The modern world runs on information, news, social media, videos, images, messages. Now imagine an AI capable of creating millions of fake posts, fake videos, fake conversations, and fake news stories. Not to convince everyone, just to create confusion. Because confusion is powerful. When people stop knowing what's real, trust collapses. And when trust collapses, societies become weaker. Future wars may begin long before missiles launch. They may begin with information campaigns designed to divide populations from the inside. Many experts believe this is already happening. And that's only one piece of the puzzle. The next piece is autonomy. Machines are beginning to operate with increasing independence. Not because humans want to lose control, but because speed demands it. If an incoming threat appears and a system only has a fraction of a second to respond, waiting for human approval may no longer be practical. That's where difficult questions emerge. How much authority should a machine have? How much decision-making should be automated? Where should humans remain involved? Because every time a human is removed from a process, efficiency increases. But so does risk. A human can make mistakes. An AI can make mistakes too. The difference is scale. A human mistake might affect one situation. A machine mistake could affect thousands before anyone notices. That's what keeps military planners awake at night. The possibility that an incredibly intelligent system could make a catastrophic decision at machine speed. And unlike science fiction movies, the real danger isn't that AI becomes evil. The real danger is that it becomes extremely effective at pursuing the wrong objective. History is full of examples where small misunderstandings led to major conflicts. Now imagine those misunderstandings happening at the speed of algorithms. The consequences could unfold faster than humans can intervene. Yet despite all these concerns, countries continue investing billions into AI development. Why? Because nobody wants to fall behind. If one nation develops advanced military AI, rival nations feel pressure to do the same. It's the same pattern we've seen throughout history with ships, aircraft, nuclear weapons, and cyber capabilities. No one wants to be second. And that creates a global race, a race where the finish line isn't entirely clear. The future battlefield may not be dominated by soldiers, it may be dominated by data, algorithms, autonomous systems, and intelligent machines operating alongside humans. The age of AI warfare isn't coming someday. It's already here. Most people just haven't noticed yet. And the countries that understand that reality first may shape the balance of power for decades to come. I'm Elena Volkov. This has been your AI Weekly Update. Subscribe to AI Alert Room for more deep breakdowns on artificial intelligence, emerging technology, autonomous systems, and the future shaping the modern world. And I'll see you next time.